Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the inside door handle on this 1998 Dodge Caravan, same as a 96 to 2000 Caravan or Voyager. This van does have manual crank windows, so that part of removing the door panel will be different if you have power windows. Tools you'll need are the same tools as you need just to take the door panel off. Window crank removal tool, which is available on our website, Phillips screwdriver, small flat blade screwdriver, and a door panel clip tool, also available at 1AAuto.com.
The first thing you're going to do is remove your manual window crank. Best tool for it is the actual tool that you use. You can do it a couple different ways, but this tool usually only costs a few dollars. We do sell them on 1AAuto.com, and it's easy enough. You slide it in between here. Just be careful because the clip can fly out sometimes. Alright, it just went right into my floor so I can see it. Okay, that just kind of goes in, pushes the clip off, and just make sure you keep the washer here with it. Okay, now you're going to remove a few screws. There's one right there next to your door pull. Okay, there's one right in behind your door handle. Small screwdriver. Pry this little trap door open and you'll find another screw. And then there's also one right up in here. Using a short screwdriver for this one up here is easiest.
I'm just going to kind of speed it up. I actually think all you need to take out is the screw next to the door pull and the one that you can see that's in behind your door handle. I don't think you need to take this top one off or the one behind the little trap door, but I did it anyways.
Need a door panel clip tool, also a putty knife works. I actually use the putty knife first, kind of get it in there. You slide it down, you find the clip, then use your door panel clip tool, get right around the clip. Once you start it going, you just kind of pull. Lift it up and off. The lock rod's in behind. Just flip that off. Okay, pull it down. Okay, here you can see the clips. I'm not sure why they didn't want to come out. Okay. Basically just go right around them with your clip tool and pop them out.
On the back of the door panel, the handle is held in by two Phillips screws. Just remove those screws and then the handle comes out.
Okay, the
handle from 1AAuto
is
just like
just like the old one came out.
It's going to fix your problem nicely.
The locating tab there.
There's a little locating pin to make sure it's in place. Start the screws back in and then tighten them up nice and firm.
Okay, once you pop them out, put them back into your door panel. Okay, pull your lock rod over, put it up into this clip. Okay, and then flip the clip over. Now kind of find your lock here. Just force it through. Here. it back in here, get your pins to line up.
And I'll speed up here as I just put those 4 screws back in and that little trap door back on. And then I'll get into replacing the window crank.
Take our little clip and usually put it back in. Use a screwdriver and carefully push it back on. Okay, this little indent in the washer goes on top of there like that. Then you can just put this on in any position, make sure it latches on. Okay.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.